Well, good afternoon, my ladies and my gents. This is going to be just kind of a quick one here. I'm just going to show off a little bit. I got this, 2, 3 weeks ago. I saw another video that had the idea behind it to remove chrome. And I can't use a lot of the stuff that most people use because of the smell in it. And gives me migraines along with the weather, and just when Mother Nature holds her teeth wrong, I get a migraine. So uh, but this is called SuperClean. You get it at Walmart for like $6.50 for this big bottle here. If you go online, it's 2 and 3 times that at Amazon. So, but it's basically, show it here, it's just a purple liquid, and you can use it multiple times, and it has a light smell, more like a strong Windex. A concentrated Windex is kind of what it smells like. But you stick it in there. This one guy showed he put a piece in about 5 minutes it was unchromed. I put some stuff in, and it takes it probably at least a half an hour. I had a part on that Revell Porsche Junior tractor that I wanted to dechrome, and it took overnight to get that thing to dechrome, and so it's not super fast. And I use these resealable bowls, and I just take the top off a little bit, drop the piece in. Later I get it out. They say be sure and use gloves. Oh my goodness, don't touch. As long as you don't keep your hand in it and try to do like a old-fashioned Paul Olive advertisement, it's not going to hurt you. And I found that it even winds up cleaning stuff like brushes and tweezers. But I'm not going to take the time and do a demonstration. It actually does work. You take it out with some tweezers, put it over in some clear water, rinse it off, and then dry it off with some paper towel or something, and boom, you're good to go. And if you do get some on your fingers, you just need to wash it off. It has a real slick feeling to it. So, but yeah, it's this stuff called SuperClean. Get it at Walmart. $6.50 for this monster thing. Reusable, many times over. I've dechromed several pieces with this one little bit in the bowl here. So, but I just thought I would go ahead and do that and show it off and talk about that. And I'm going to let you go. And B-Tex signing out a second time today.